Selamat pagi. Selamat pagi. Kalimera.
Good morning. Good morning, dear friend. Okay. Welcome to Border Valley Glamping. This is under Dr. Lim. Dr. Lim. This place is around, just share with you, around 20 acres. We only developed 10 acres. Still got another phase 1, phase 2 to go. Phase 3 to go. But this area is unique place because this is a rainforest. Rainforest. It's a jungle. Okay. This is area, only this area is all the area here covered with trees, big trees. We also have a 27 unit of accommodation to stay, like a hotel. Later, my team with the queue will take you around, show you, explore the area. And one more thing I want to tell you is, don't pitch anything. It's Dr. Lim's baby. Okay, and this is the place we have herbs. We have around 60 type of herbs, and a lot of things is happening here. Later, when some of the things we are going to cook for you is including some herbs.
Oh.
Therefore, it will be good experience for you. And welcome to Border Valley. My name is Naga. Anytime you want to ask you anything, you can call me. Okay? Thank you. Have a good day.